Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Audi Q3. In order to get to the right engine mount, we need to remove the coolant tank and the fuel filter housing. First we start by removing the engine undershoot so that we can lift the engine when removing the engine. Next, we'll start by removing a couple of connectors. And now we're gonna remove the bolts that hold the fuel filter housing. We don't need to disconnect the hoses for the fuel filter housing, only remove the bolts so that the housing is loose, and when it's loose we can just move it to the side. If the video is useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll remove the bolts that hold the coolant tank. Again, we don't need to disconnect any hoses, just move it to the side. Once the fuel filter housing and the coolant tank are removed, we have access to the engine mount. Next, we're going to put a jack underneath the engine so that it holds the engine while we remove the engine mount. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the engine mount. Once we remove all the bolts, we can remove the engine mount and put on a new engine mount.